Alright, I got this package in the mail. And it should be a Wally cube. If I'm right, then yes. If not, then it must be one of my other puzzles that I ordered. Because I have a few come in the mail. Alright. So this sheet has my order info. And then packing peanut. And here's the cube. And yes, it is the Wally cube. Just what I thought it was. Very good condition. A little bit of damage here and there, but not much, really. I used to have one of these, but it ended up... I ended up doing something weird to it, and it's not around anymore. But this cube is a rare puzzle, because it was a limited edition. Not really, I'm not sure how limited edition it was, if it was really a limited edition cube, but it was exclusive to a US store chain called Best Buy. And what Best Buy is, it's a consumer electronic store where you can buy video games, movies, music, computer parts, and all those sort of everyday household electronic stuff. And Best Buy was selling this version of Wally, special edition, Swedish copy back in, I think, 2008. Yeah, 2008. And I got this for Christmas 2008 as a Christmas gift. And I also got the cube along with it. But since then, the cube is gone. Now I bought a new one. And I'm happy again, because I miss having that old cube. And from the first turn, it's not that super good, but it's still interesting. Size comparison to a regular 3x3, just a tiny bit bigger, because this Wally cube is 16 millimeter big. Yeah. Two, one, two, one, two, one, two. So here it is in the checkerboard pattern. So yeah, I'm happy that I got this.